Hey, what's going on guys? In this video we are going to take a look at fixed position. We have seen absolute positioning and also we have seen the relative positioning. Here we are going to see the fixed positioning. To do that, I'm going to type something in the body. Let's put some paragraph. In this paragraph I'm going to just type I'm a scorpion, let me in. I am a scorpion, let me in. Okay, and I close this one here and I copy paste this one many times. Okay, I go ahead down and copy paste one more. Okay, now let's refresh this one and you can see I have a bunch of that thing. The reason I created like this is because I can scroll, I want to scroll this website like this. Now what you are going to do is we are going to do some changes with the paragraph. Let's go to the first one and I type id equal, let's put some name, I put coffee and then close it, and then take this id to style. To do that I put hashtag coffee and I'm going to change the style. I create a border with 2 pixel and then solid green, close it, and then I'm gonna put the position as fixed, and then I'm gonna move from top to 60 pixel down, 60 pixel, and then from left to right 65 pixel. Okay, close the curly bracket, and then when I refresh this one you can see we have this the one we created right here. It's exactly like absolute positioning right now. Absolute position also bring that from the top corner to the position we put right here. What's the difference between absolute positioning and fixed positioning? Now let's see. Let's scroll this one down. Okay, you can see as I scroll that thing still stay the same, but it doesn't happen to absolute positioning. This one no matter how much you scroll, this one doesn't change. It just remain the same. That's what is about fixed positioning. That's how we create fixed positioning. Fixed positioning basically stay right there no matter where we scroll or do whatever. Okay, that's all in this tutorial. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. See you guys in my next video.